to tell you the best journey of my life.
Now I'm in Rakit Kecil, beautiful, amazing island just around me. Amazing, but I'm so happy to come here. And beside me, I have amazing life. One of the most beautiful things I've ever seen.
This is the first woman I love.
I love this place. So many fun.
She's the one who introduced me to this place, to let me find an answer. I think this is the time to let the adventure begin.
Hey, Dek, peruntukan Anda.
Excuse me, you know where is this place?
You can come with us, tapi kamu harus lanjut lagi pakai kapal.
Can I join you?
Oke?
Okay, thank you.
I met good people along the way. Their kindness really moved me.
Bang Manap, ini ada kebetulan ini mau ke pulau. Tolong diantar lah.
Hello? Hi, nice to meet you, Matt.
Jawan, mari.
Goodbye. See you.
Along the journey, I can see why my mom was so in love with this place. My whole sense awakened by this incredible nature. And the people who are sincere can be seen and felt.
Ikang.
Got
Good. Ini.
I learned that behind every graceful movement of this dance has a special meaning. I've had the best shower of my life. Explored the most tranquil forest that make me hear my own heartbeat. Every single thing of this place make my heart tied up with love. Just like what it did to her.
What will you do when I leave?
I gonna miss you. This is for you. Dipakai ya, jangan hilang.
I love it. Terima kasih. She's like the sister I never had.
I understand the meaning of her words now. A journey is about connection, interaction, mutual respect. It's about each other. Not only about receiving, but also about giving. Now I need to find the connection. The woman that she always talked about.
Ini kamu dapat dari mana?
Oh, di sini. This one was given by my mother.
Kamu sudah tepat datang kemari. Tujuan kamu ada beberapa kilo lagi dari sini. Kamu bisa jalan agak berapa kilo lagi ke pesisir. Kamu akan jumpa dengan orang yang ngasih kalung ke mama kamu.
Excuse me, you know where is this place?
Lurus, belok kanan, situlah tempatnya.
Oh, okay, thank you.
This is the journey between me and my mom. To find another home.
Selamat sore, Ibu.
Siapa itu?
Do you remember this?
Oh iya ya. Seren ya?
Yeah, I'm her son.
Yuk ke rumah.
Yeah, it's been so long. I've been traveling all around you.
This is what Aceh has given me. A beautiful place with clear blue water and a diamond bright sands. Where kindness and comfort always here for me. A place that I call home. time in Aceh. And I know it won't be the last.
The light of Aceh. Wonderful Indonesia.
Have you heard this story about a beautiful place? A place that makes you feel restful. In the midst of people who live in religious harmony. A place that makes you feel home. That makes you curious for more. Adventure. Start your journey. Travel to the place where the story unfolds. Feel the sea breeze caress your face and the sound of the waves breaking your consciousness. That you can see them through the beauty of woven fabrics. Or smell them through the scent of coffee that wafts in the air. If you've never heard it before, you may now find it intriguing. You may want to know every square inch of this place. From the beauty of its land to the depths of its seas. With an amazing biodiversity. Perhaps you've heard this story about a land which has traditions so diverse. Meet these friendly people who will welcome you with warmth. After all, welcoming guests is their tradition. The light of Aceh. Wonderful Indonesia.
I want to tell you the best journey of my life.
Now I'm in Rangit Kachil, this beautiful, amazing island. Just look around me. Amazing, beautiful. I'm so happy to come here. And beside me, I have this amazing lighthouse. One of the most beautiful things I've ever seen.
This is the first woman I loved.
I love this place. So many palm trees.
She's the one who introduced me to this place, to let me find an answer. I think this is the time to let the adventure begin.
Hey, Dek, peruntukan Anda.
Excuse me, you know where is this place?
You can come with us. Tapi kamu harus lanjut lagi pakai kapal.
Can I join you?
Oke.
Okay, thank you.
I met good people along the way. Their kindness really moved me.
Bang Manap, ini ada kebetulan ini mau ke pulau. Tolong diantar lah.
Hello? Hi, nice to meet you, Matt.
Come on, mari.
Goodbye. See you.
Along the journey, I can see why my mom was so in love with this place. My whole sense awakened by this incredible nature. And the people who are sincere can be seen and felt.
Ikang.
Got it. Good.
I learned that behind every graceful movement of this dance has a special meaning. I've had the best shower of my life. Explored the most tranquil forest that make me hear my own heartbeat. Every single thing of this place make my heart tied up with love. Just like what it did to her.
What will you do when I leave?
I'm gonna miss you. This is for you. Dipakai ya, jangan hilang.
I love it. Terima kasih. She's like the sister I never had.
I understand the meaning of her words now. A journey is about connection, interaction, mutual respect. It's about each other. Not only about receiving, but also about giving. Now I need to find the connection. The woman that she always talk about.
Ini kamu dapat dari mana?
Oh, di sini. This one was given by my mother.
Kamu sudah tepat datang kemari. Tujuan kamu ada beberapa kilo lagi dari sini. Kamu bisa jalan agak berapa kilo lagi ke pesisir. Kamu akan jumpa dengan orang yang ngasih kalung ke mama kamu.
Excuse me, you know where is this place?
Lurus, belok kanan, situlah tempatnya.
Oh, okay, thank you.
This is the journey between me and my mom. To find another home.
Selamat sore, Ibu.
Siapa itu?
Do you remember this?
Oh, iya, iya. Seren ya?
Yeah, I'm her son.
Yuk, ke rumah.
Yeah, it's been so long. I've been traveling all around you.
This is what Aceh has given me. A beautiful place with clear blue water and a diamond bright sands. Where kindness and comfort always here for me. A place that I call home. first time in Aceh. And I know it won't be the last.
The light of Aceh. Wonderful Indonesia.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the success of our event today, please kindly change your virtual background, turn on the camera, and mute the microphone. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi, sawadikap, and a very good morning to everyone. Welcome to the closing ceremony of the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival hosted by Universitas Syah Kuala, Aceh, Indonesia.
It is an honor for us to introduce and welcome the guests in this event. My Honorable Director of Universitas Syah Kuala, Professor Dr. Insinyur Samsul Rizal. Honorable Associate Professor Dr. Hendrik Lamsali, the Deputy Vice Chancellor, Student Affairs and Alumni, President of IMTGT Varsity Council. Assistant Professor Krisanapong Sangkavasi from Raja Manggala University of Technology Sriwijaya as the Vice President of IMTGT Varsity Council. My Honorable to Mr. Firdaus Dahlan, the Director of CIMT. My Honorable to Dr. Insinyur Alfian Syah Yulianur, the Vice Rector for Student Affairs and Alumni Universitas Syah Kuala, and Chairman Committee of the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival.
My Honorable
Recording in
Dr.
progress.
Hussein Hafan, Head of the Committee of the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival 2021. Mr. Jamaluddin, Head of Aceh Culture and Tourism Office. Mr. Martunis, the Coordinator of IMTGT Aceh Province. Honorable Rectors, Vice Chancellors, and President of participating universities, and Honorable the Councils and Organizing Committees of the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival. And also, last but not least, we welcome all the delegates and participants from 3 countries, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand.
Ladies and gentlemen, for a brief moment, we would like to invite all of the participants to sing the national anthem from Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand.
Thank you. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce Dr. Muzailin Afan as the head of committee of the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival 2021 to give the report speech. To Dr. Muzailin Afan, the time is yours.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning to all of you. Sawadikap. Honorable Professor Dr. Insinyur Samsul Rizal, Rector of Universitas Syah Kuala. Honorable Associate Professor Dr. Hendrik Lamsali, Deputy Vice Chancellor Student Affairs and Alumni, University Utara Malaysia, cum President of IMTGT Varsity Council. Honorable Assistant Professor Chris Sanapong Sangkasavi, Raja Manggala University of Technology Sriwijaya, Vice President of IMTGT Varsity Council. Honorable Dr. Insinyur Alfiansyah Yulianur, Vice President of IMTGT Varsity Council, as well as Vice President, Vice Rector for Student Affairs and Alumni Universitas Syah Kuala, cum Chairman Committee, the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Council. Mr. Firdaus Dahlan, Director of CMT, Mr. Jamaluddin, Head of Aceh Culture and Tourism Office of Aceh Province, Mr. Martulis, Coordinator of IMTGT of Aceh Province, Honorable Rectors, Vice Chancellors, President of participating universities, and Honorable Councils, all delegates, participants, and also organizing committee of the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala that have given us a good health and safe in this difficult time today. Salawat and salam goes to Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who brought us into this knowledgeable world. It is a great pleasure that we meet again today virtually through the Zoom and also to the YouTube channel for all delegates and members of IMTGT Varsity Carnival. We are very happy that this event has achieved the success without any delay until the closing ceremony today. But we are also sad that we should end this event today virtually. Looking at the delegations from each university members, I highly appreciate the efforts and dedication to join this event. I'm most delighted to report that this first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival has achieved all the aims with a huge success. The success without a doubt was due to the close working cooperations among the members involved in this IMTGT Varsity Carnival. We believe that all delegates, participants, and the guests enjoy the event for the last 4 days. We have seen through Zoom streaming and live YouTube for all competitions, including sport challenge, cultural performance, and also seminar activities. I believe everyone was being overwhelmed with all the performance and the masterpiece from every delegate and are very entertaining. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, in this first virtual Varsity Carnival, 11 university members could join the event with the total 157 videos for all competitions. We have played and broadcasted 137 sport videos competitions and also 20 videos of cultural performance. The seminar had been successfully conducted by Universitas Sumatera Utara in the 4 consecutive days. Thank you for Universitas Sumatera Utara that had helped us to conduct the seminar. In this occasion, we deeply apologize for any inconvenience and mistakes during this event. Maybe the delay of start the Zoom or also the lack of maintenance in the live YouTube channel. Finally, thank you very much for all the committee members and management of Universitas Syah Kuala, all delegates, council members, the judge, and all partners to make this event a success. Stay safe and keep healthy. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. Khop kum kap.
Thank you very much, Dr. Muzailin Afan. Now, it's time to hear the welcoming speech from Professor Dr. Alfiansyah Yulianur, the Deputy Rector, Student Affairs, and Com-Chairman Committee of the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival 2021. To Professor Dr. Alfiansyah Yulianur, the time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning to all of you. Sawadee-kap. Honorable Professor Dr. Insinyur Samsu Rizal, Rector of Universitas Syah Kuala, Honorable Associate Professor Dr. Hendrik Lamsali, Deputy Vice Chancellor, Student Affairs and Alumni, UUM, President of IMTGT Varsity Council, Honorable Associate Professor Krisnapong Sangkasavi, Raja Manggala University of Technology Sriwijaya, Vice President of IMTGT Varsity Council, Honorable Mr. Firdaus Dahlan, Director of CIMT, Honorable Dr. Muzailin Afan, Head of Committee, the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival, Honorable Mr. Jamaluddin, Head of Aceh Culture and Tourism Office, Honorable Mr. Martunis, Coordinator of IMTGT Aceh Province, Honorable Rector, Vice Chancellor, and Presidents of participating universities, Honorable Deans of Universitas Syah Kuala, and Honorable the Council, all delegates, participants, and organizing committees of the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, thanks to Allah SWT that have given us a good health and safe in this unprecedented time. Salawat and salam goes to Prophet Muhammad SAW who brought us into this new area. Beforehand, I would like to thank you all delegates who had participated in the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival to join the sport challenges as well as culture performances. I highly appreciate to those who send the videos. They are very interesting and amazing. I understand that during this pandemic time, it is difficult to practice and record the video together for culture and also sport teams. It is really challenging, but I saw that almost all the university members submitted the sport and culture videos to be presented during the last 4 days. I hope that you enjoy those videos as the same like me. Not to forget, I also thanks to all the support from every party, including Universitas Syah Kuala team, who have worked so hard days and nights before and during the event. I hope after the event you will have a good rest again, because we hold our event virtually. The ICT team from USK have dedicated so much effort to organize and maintain the stability of the event. Without the IT team, we cannot celebrate this event smoothly. And then, the student representative from USK also show their commitment during the event to perform wonderful dances. It cost them time and energy to make this carnival outstanding. Once again, congratulations and thank you for the great effort and commitment for this event. Once again, of USK committee, without them, we cannot come to this end of the event. Also, thank to our partner, Dinas Kebudayaan dan Pariwisata, Aceh, who have supported us in many ways, including the beautiful videos showing the mesmerizing Aceh land. And also, last but not least, the council who have helped us to plan and organize the first virtual MTGT Varsity Carnival. Thank you very much. This partnership between three countries has been established since 1993. This wonderful event has been running for a long time ago. Thus, we hope that we can always connect with each other. This is an honor of us, Universitas Syah Kuala, to be host for the first virtual MTGT Varsity Carnival 2021. We hope there will not be the second virtual MTGT Varsity Carnival. We hope that we can celebrate the event next year or next time physically. For every beginning, there is an end. Similarly, the same goes to the first virtual MTGT Varsity Carnival, which was held from 27 September until October 1 today. Today is the climax that we have been waiting for, and surely there are many memorable memories, timeless effort, and virtual smiles during our Zoom session. Winning and losing experiences that will closely folded in our memories and become something that we would like to associate with the innovation and creativity for a long time. This virtual MTGT Varsity Carnival will be the memory that we will cherish to remember the strength of our partnership between three countries consisting of 12 university members. Congratulations for the winner, and I hope that the team who didn't will not put themselves in the disappointment. That's the nature of competition. The main goal of MTGT is to establish the unity and solidarity among the three countries in developing students' potential. That's what we need to remember. Finally, once again, I want to express my appreciation and congratulate the USK Organizing Committee, the 12 universities member, the council, and the partners. To the winner, congratulations. It was amazing talent and performance that you have shown. To those who didn't achieve the expected result, do not despair, but continue to work harder and better prepare for next MTGT Varsity Carnival. I hope we can see each other again very soon. We just need to wait until the condition is getting better. Stay safe and keep healthy. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sawadee-kap.
Well, thank you for Dr. Alfiansyah Yulianur. Ladies and gentlemen, now we will continue to hear a closing speech delivered by the President of IMTGT Varsity Council. Please welcome Associate Professor Dr. Hendrik Lamsali.
Thank you so much, the Master of Ceremony. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and a very good day to all. Sawadika. The Honorable Professor Dr. Insinyur Samsul Rizal, Rector Universitas Syiah Kuala, Assistant Professor Krisana Pong Sangkavase, Vice President of IMTGT Varsity Council, Raja Manggala University of Technology Sriwijaya, Dr. Insinyur Alfian Shah Yulianur, Vice President of IMTGT Varsity Council, Universitas Syiah Kuala, and Chairman for the Committee of the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival 2021, Mr. Firdaus Dahlan, the Director of Center for IMTGT Sub-Regional Cooperation, Mr. Jamaluddin, the Head of Aceh Culture and Tourism Office, Aceh, Indonesia, Mr. Martunis, the Coordinator of IMTGT Aceh Province, Dr. Munzailin Afan, the Head of International Office, Universitas Syiah Kuala, and the Head Committee of the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival, Ms. Asma Wiza Hussein, Secretary General of IMTGT Varsity Council, University Utara Malaysia, Associate Professor Dr. Muzamil Juso, Treasurer of IMTGT Varsity Council, University Malaysia Perlis, Professor Dr. Muhammad Fuad Sadan, Deputy Vice Chancellor, Student Affairs and Alumni, University Malaysia Perlis, Assistant Professor Dr. Supote Kovitaya, Vice President of Student Alumni, Prince Songkla University, Dr. Ahmad Nizan Matno, Deputy Rector, Student Affairs Division, University Technology Mara Malaysia, Arau Perlis, Dr. Nasrullah Razali, Vice Secretary Indonesia, Ms. Duadol Chantara Pratin, Vice Secretary Thailand from Raja Manggala University of Technology Sriwijaya, Tuan Haji Idrus Haji Rapi, Chairman of Sport Subcommittee, USM, Associate Professor Dr. Pon Pawi Pomket, Chairman of Subcultural Subcommittee, Prince Songkla University, Dr. Diana Chalil, Chairman of Seminar Subcommittee, IMTGT Universitas Sumatera Utara. Honorable Rectors, Vice Chancellor and President of participating university, the council members, the organizing committees of the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival, delegates and participants from 12 universities under IMTGT. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and a very good day to everyone. First and foremost, Alhamdulillah, thank you to the Almighty for His blessing and giving us the precious opportunity to gather virtually for the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival closing ceremony. This surely be commemorated as part of our IMTGT history. This morning is the last day for all delegates from all 12 universities representing 3 countries, Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia. We are together here online before we return to our daily life with respective responsibility. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, every meeting will lead to a parting, and for every match, there will be a winner. But for me personally, you are all winners. We are all winners. We are here today to say goodbye, to congratulate, and to pay tribute to dedication and sporting spirit that each of us showed throughout the 6 days of Carnival. Undoubtedly, close cooperation between the 3 countries is the key factor in extraordinary success of the 17th IMTGT University Carnival. This collaboration begins with a sense of unity instilled through sport, cultural performance, and seminar during the virtual carnival. Some say that technology separates human beings, but I can assure you that technology also brings us closer. Ladies and gentlemen, the organization of this IMTGT virtual carnival clearly shows that the differences in time, internet access, and technological equipment used will never affect our solidarity and unity. This is what we call the strong bond of IMTGT community. Cultural, religious, racial, linguistic differences did not prevent the delegates from the three countries to mobilize their ideas and energy to organize the IMTGT Varsity Carnival 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to congratulate all winners, and to those who are not so lucky, you are still winners and you can still be proud of your achievement here. History has been written today. You are the pioneers that ensure the successful organization of the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival closing ceremony. Well done. I sincerely hope that your experience at this carnival can be inspiration and a source of motivation for you to make better preparation for the next carnival next year. From the academic point of view, I'm very proud of the commitment made by all participants who attended the Palm Oil Sustainable Supply Chain and Sustainable Landscape Workshop. I can see the intellectual competence possessed by IMTGT students as they are able to express view, ask questions, identify solutions, and produce short videos. I was informed that the workshop received participants from IMTGT University as well as foreign university such as Jambi University, UPM, Andalas, Mula Warman, Montpellier University, Natural Resources Institute from Greenwich, University of Agriculture, Nanyang Technology, as well as HUE, University of Agriculture and Forestry. Ladies and gentlemen, cultural values and diversity are portrayed in the performance each night, followed by academic cultural presentation, slot conducted by Cultural Subcommittee, has drawn together aesthetic manuscript and artwork from a network of renowned choreographers among IMTGT members. Despite all the differences, we actually have the same goal, which is to preserve and uphold the arts and culture inherited from our previous generation. Honestly, we can be proud because finally, the artistic and cultural talents of IMTGT students are now presented and exhibited for the world to see across the borders of these three countries. On behalf of IMTGT community, I would like again to express my appreciation to the network of strategic partners who have been together in this carnival to launch the event, namely Aceh Cultural and Tourism Office, CSSPO, CIRAT, and Talent. Thank you from the bottom of our heart. My hope is that the spirit of solidarity witnessed virtually can be preserved and can be expanded and strengthened with the extension of IMTGT Varsity Council collaboration with external parties and strategic partners. And I hope that this year's virtual IMTGT Carnival can be a very good lesson so that we can expand our IMTGT Carnival next year in 2022. As the president of IMTGT and representing the Varsity Council, I would like to express my deepest thank you, appreciation, and congratulations to the executive committee of the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival, the wonderful and amazing host, Universitas Syah Kuala, for successfully organizing this prestigious virtual carnival. A big thank you also to the Sport, Culture, and Seminar Subcommittee Chairman, invited panelists, delegates, officials, student participants, foreign university, and not forgetting the unsung heroes, all volunteers from USK. You know who you are. For your cooperation, your commitment shown throughout the carnival. I cannot thank you is simply not enough. To my wonderful family of 12 University of IMTGT family, just like the great words of John Maxwell, the truth, teamwork is at the heart of every great achievement. And with those, I hereby declare the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival officially closed. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. And terima kasih. Kop kun kap.
Well, thank you very much for the President of IMTGT Varsity Council, Associate Professor Dr. Hendrik Lamsali, that has officially closed our event this year.
Right, Haikal. So anyway, we've been an MC for 5 days of this event. We've watched very beautiful and amazing video performances of the delegates and participants across the 3 countries.
Exactly.
So I would like to know your opinion about the performances of the 3 countries. Could you please tell me and tell everyone in here?
Well, for me, myself, I was very impressed with all participant delegation from 3 countries, that even our event is fully conducted virtual, but we can feel the atmosphere of friendship and togetherness from the participant.
Exactly. I also feel that even though it's virtual, but we are strengthening our bonds between 3 countries. And I also highlight the point that is really important during this event is, even though pandemic is currently occur, but it's not stopping us from learning about and spreading awareness about the diversity of the cultures from the 3 countries.
Yes, Diva, because diversity is our strength.
Yep.
And by joining this event, maybe watching the video presentation, academic cultural presentation, we will know the culture from different countries. Yeah, maybe someday. And also, you can make friends from Malaysia and Thailand. Maybe someday, if you visit Malaysia or Thailand, you can visit your new friends that you met during this virtual event, Diva.
Exactly. I already have friends. Anyway, Mr. Haikal, speaking about culture, we have a 4 category of awards here. So, the first category is about the best culture academic presentations, Haikal. Could you please announce already who is or who are the winners from this category?
Well, for the first category, the best cultural academic presentation goes to University Malaysia Perlis from Malaysia and Thaksin University from Thailand. Congratulations for both universities.
Congratulations. So we have 2 winners for the best culture academic presentations, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and the next category is about the best culture performance, Mr. Haikal.
Yes. For the best cultural performance, we have 3 winners in this category. And the winner are Universitas Sumatera Utara from Indonesia, University Utara Malaysia from Malaysia, and Raja Manggala University of Technology Sriwijaya from Thailand.
Congratulations to all of the winners from 3 universities.
What next categories, Diva?
Okay, so next we have the best artistic performance.
Yeah. Can you guess? Who's the
Okay,
winner?
let me guess. I can't because it's all of the performances are too artistic, and I think everyone deserves to be the winner.
I have watched almost all the video, but it's so hard to decide who will be the winner in this category.
So could you announce for us again who will be the winner for the best artistic performance?
Yes, we still have 3 winners in this category. The winners are Universitas Negeri Medan from Indonesia, University Science Malaysia from Malaysia, and Prince of Songkhla University from Thailand.
Wow, congratulations.
Congratulations for the 3 winners in the best artistic performance in the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival this year, 2021.
So the last category is the best creative video. I heard that this one is kind of the prestigious amongst the all categories. So I think I should announce since it's prestigious.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So
Go ahead.
the winners of the best creative videos goes to Universitas Syah Kuala from Indonesia.
Congratulations.
and Walaylag University from Thailand. Congratulations.
Okay, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, now we would like to invite Dr. Muzailin Afan as the head of the committee of the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival 2021 to give the symbolic recognition to the representative of University Malaysia Perlis and Taksin University as the winners of the best cultural academic presentation. To Dr. Muzailin Afan, please welcome.
Also to the representative from University Malaysia Perlis and Thailand, Taksin University, please come to the stage to receive the welcoming, the speech, the symbolic recognition.
Please, for the representative. Give the big applause to our winner for today. Congratulations once again. Give the virtual and the big applause to the winner. University Malaysia Perlis from Malaysia and Taksin University from Thailand.
Congratulations.
Well, thank you very much for Dr. Muzailin Afan and the representative. Well, Diva, and next we will also invite the winner, the representative from the best cultural performance category.
We would like to invite Mr. Mustafa Sadri to give the symbolic recognitions to the best cultural performance category. To Mr. Mustafa, please come to the stage.
Yeah, we would like to invite the representative from Universitas Sumatera Utara, University Utara Malaysia, and Raja Manggala University of Technology Sriwijaya. Please come to the stage.
Congratulations to Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand representative.
Give the big applause for the winner. Mr. Mustafa Sadri and the representative from Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand.
We're going to invite the one to give the symbolic recognition to the best artistic performance category.
Yes, we would like to invite Mr. Nizamuddin to give the symbolic recognition to the representative of Universitas Negeri Medan, University Science Malaysia, and Prince of Songkla University. Please come to the stage. Yes, we have 3 winners here, Diva.
Yeah.
Yes, congratulations for the representative of Universitas Negeri Medan.
Congratulations to the representative of University Science Malaysia.
And congratulations to the representative of Prince of Songkla University.
Once again, congratulations and give a big applause to the winners.
And next, Diva, the most prestigious category, the best creative video. Yeah, we would like to invite Miss Ramdiana. Yeah, a very positive energy from Miss
Yeah, very
Ramdiana.
energetic.
And also we would like to invite the representative of Universitas Syah Kuala and Walaila University as the winner of the best creative video. Yes, congratulations for the winners for the most creative video in the first virtual.
Give a big applause and virtual applause. All right. Now, Mr. Haikal, we've done the award announcement from the Culture Academic category.
And what next, Diva?
We have the winners for the sport. So the first category is skipping rope.
Yep.
The top 5 winners of skipping rope categories are Universitas Sumatera Utara, Taksin University, University Malaysia Perlis, and Universitas Sumatera Utara.
Congratulations for all the winners of the category of skipping rope for male.
Yeah, for male category. Now we have for female category, Mr. Haikal.
Yeah.
Could you announce who are the top 5?
Yeah, the top 5 we will mention from the first winner to the 5th winner. Universitas Negeri Medan, University Malaysia Perlis, Walaila University, Taksin University, and University Science Malaysia.
Congratulations to all representatives from the 5 universities. Now we have the category of push-up male, Mr. Haikal.
Yes, who is the winner?
Oh, I think
okay.
I will announce the top 5 of the winners. So congratulations to Universitas Sumatera Utara, Taksin University, Universitas Negeri Medan, University Utara Malaysia, and University Teknologi Mara.
Yeah, congratulations for the winners. And let's move to the next category, push-up category for female.
Yeah. So the top 5 of the category of push-up females are, congratulations for Universitas Negeri Medan, University Utara Malaysia, Prince of Songkla University, University Malaysia Perlis, and Universitas Sumatera Utara. Congratulations.
Yeah. Once again, congratulations and give the big applause virtually. Okay, Diva, what next? The category.
Next, we have the burpee for male category.
Okay, we have 5 winners here. Taksin University, University Malaysia Perlis, Walaila University, Universitas Syah Kuala, and University Science Malaysia. Congratulations for all the winners for burpee category for male, Diva.
Okay, so the category of burpee for female, we have the winners from Universitas Negeri Medan, Universitas Syah Kuala, University Science Malaysia, Universitas Sumatera Utara, and Taksin University. Congratulations to the winner.
Congratulations. And Diva, we still have 2 categories here.
Yeah. We have juggling for male and female.
Okay. Could you please mention the winner?
Okay, so the winner for juggling category males are University Sains Malaysia, University Utara Malaysia, University Sains Malaysia, Universitas Syah Kuala, Universitas Sumatera Utara.
Congratulations once again for the winners of the juggling category for male. And the last, we still have juggling category for female.
So, the category for juggling for female, the winners are Universitas Syah Kuala, Universitas Negeri Medan, Walailag University, Taksin University, and Prince of Songkla University. Congratulations for all of the winners.
Yeah. Once again, congratulations for all the winners in the sport category. Well, Diva, what next?
We have announced the culture awards for the announcement, and then the sport awards announcement, and now we are going to announce the winners of the winner.
Wow, the winners of the winner.
Can you guess? Who will be the winner of the winners?
My heart is beating faster right now.
Okay, maybe we need some drum to make it more dramatic. Oh, unfortunately we don't have one.
Yeah. Okay, Diva, go ahead.
So, the winner of the winners from IMTGT Varsity Carnival 2021 is who?
Who?
Taksin University.
Congratulations from Taksin University, Thailand, as the winner of the winners from the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival 2021. Give the big applause to Taksin University.
And now we would like to invite Dr. Muzain Afan, Mr. Mustafa Sadri, Mr. Nizamuddin and Ms. Ramdiana to be the representative to give the symbolic recognition to the sport winners category of skipping rope, push up, burpee, and juggling.
Yeah, congratulations for the winner in the sport category. Next, Ms. Ramdiana. And Mr. Nizamuddin.
Congratulations once again. The participants on the Zoom, please give a virtual applause for the representative. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And once again, congratulations for all winners in cultural and sport categories.
The representative, please be seated.
Thank you. Okay, Diva, what's the next agenda?
So, this is the most awaited agenda from all.
What
I
is
think
it?
for me, myself, I am waiting for this.
What is it?
Of course, it's a dance.
Dance. Yeah. We would like to invite all the guests in this room. Yeah, we will like to dance together here.
Apparently, before that, we would like to witnessing the vinyl culture performance of Acehnese traditional dance performed by the student representative of Universitas Syah Kuala.
Yeah. The bond of unity is a power that is connected. But when one is confused, then the others also will feel what is happening. They will feel the silence while closing their eyes and taking the deepest breath. Uniting three hearts into one unity is not easy, with a purpose to reach a wise and beautiful hope. Musuno means grabbing a position of someone to be at the forefront and the one who will be the host in the future. The comfortable host that will make the hope full with respect among three different countries. Then it is decided the hope as the beautiful step of beginning and the ending of the meeting. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the representative of Universitas Syah Kuala that will perform Acehnese traditional dance. Let's enjoy.
Syamsyami wila wila wala syamsyami wila halbang rasihin bagurasihin hai bagusin Assalamualaikum warahmatullah jarah 12 malah sambal salim lon wahai saudara sambung saudara getanya dumna
kamu ucapkan Katro datang buat mulia Oh katro kenal senang haraba Sangat pemandangan kita lagu indah Jata jauh wajah rakyat batu Jata tahu aja Datang buat Remong dengasih kamu ucapkan Katro datang buat mulia Oh katro kenal senang haraba
Wow, what a great performance from the student representative of Universitas Syah Kuala.
Indeed, Mr. Haikal.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, after we witnessed the beautiful dance from the student representative of Universitas Syah Kuala, and it is the time to give symbolic recognition to the winners of the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival 2021. For the winner?
The winner is Taksin University, but we would like to invite Dr. Muzailin Afan to give the symbolic recognition to Taksin University representative. Please welcome.
Yes, please welcome Dr. Muzailin Afan and the representative from Taksin University to the stage. Yes, please welcome the representative from Taksin University as the winner of winners, the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival 2021. Congratulations!
Please give a big applause to the winner of the winners!
Congratulations for Taksin University, Thailand! Okay, thank you very much once again. And for Dr. Muzailin Afan and the representative from Taksin University, please be seated. Okay, Diva, what a wonderful event.
Okay, Haikal,
this morning.
This is the thing that I really wanted to do from the first day of this event.
Yeah, finally we have one winner from Taksin University, Thailand.
Yeah, but Mr. Haikal, the seminar that the winner of the seminar competitions will be announced on 7 October 2021.
Okay, we will wait. Who will be the winner of this seminar?
Yeah, exactly. So don't forget to stay tuned on IMTGT Varsity Carnival 2021.
Exactly. What next?
Okay,
Diva?
next. It's my favorite things to do here. So, the last but not least, we're going to invite all of the participants and delegates in here to come to the stage to dance to our anthem, the IMTGT Varsity Carnival anthem. Please, everyone, come to the stage.
Please come to the stage.
Please, everyone, come to the stage. Everyone.
It's time to
Everybody.
have fun, Diva.
Yeah, it's time to have fun before we close this session for today. Everyone, please come to the stage. Once again, everyone, please.
Please come to the stage. Yeah, we have a lot of dancers and students and
have a
also
lot of
the
talented
distinguished guests
dancers.
that attend in AAC Dandau today.
Yeah.
Yes. I love their costume, by the way, Diva.
Yeah, it's very unique.
It is the combination between the traditional cloth and the modern. That's very harmony.
Wow, we got a lot of participants. We're going to dance.
Let's rock, Diva.
Wow, amazing. We're going to have fun so much in here. So apparently, Miss Ramdiana will be the instructor for today's dance. No? Okay.
Okay.
Let's have fun.
Together we unite.
So ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the first virtual IMTGT Varsity Carnival 2021, we would like to thank you all for participating and for making time in your busy schedule to join us here. My name is Diva Sabina and my partner
Muhammad Haikal Razi. We wish you a pleasant day. Stay healthy. Don't forget to wear a mask.
Yeah. See you
Thank
next.
you. See you
on the next
again
event.
on the next event. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you.
Hadirin sekalian, untuk keberkatan acara kita pada hari ini yang sudah alhamdulillah sudah berjalan dengan sangat sukses.
Allah together. Depend on our religion, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الفاتحة ورحمة الله أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم الصراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين حمدا يوافي نعمه ويكافئ مزيده يا ربنا لك الحمد ولك الشكر كما ينبغي لجلال وجهك الكريم وعظيم سلطانك اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم اللهم إنا نسألك سلامة في الدين والدنيا والآخرة وعافية في الجسد وزيادة في العلم وبركة في الرزق وتوبة قبل الموت ورحمة عند الموت ومغفرة بعد الموت اللهم حوّن علينا في سكرات الموت والنجاة من النار والعفو عند الحساب اللهم إنك غفور كريم حليم تحب العفو فاعف عنا يا الله وعن والدنا وعن جميع المسلمين والمسلمات والمؤمنين والمؤمنات برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين اللهم اغفر لي ذنوبي ولوالدي وارحمهما كما ربيانا صغارا ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار اللهم اغفر له وارحمه وعافه واعف عنه وأكرم نزوله وواسع مدخله واغسله بالماء والثلج والبراد من الخطايا كما ينقى الثوب الأبيض من الدناس وأبدله دارا خيرا من داره وأهلا خيرا من أهله وزوجا خيرا من زوجه وقه فتنة القبر وعذاب النار وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم والحمد لله رب العالمين آمين يا رب العالمين.
Amin. Yes, for the guests and the participant, please back to your seat.